Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to do a super pink Valentine's Day look and I'm pretty excited. I haven't done a whole bunch of pink looks before. I've been doing a little bit more lately than I have in the past, and so I'm looking forward to playing with it more. So as you can see, I've already got some face products on. They will be listed down below as per usual. So sorry if you guys can hear my furnace. I can't really control that. And obviously, as you can tell, I straightened my hair for today's video. And what do you guys think? Do you like it better straight, or do you like it better my natural curly hair? Let me know in the comments down below. So I'm not really sure what specific shades I'm going to use. I got 3 palettes here that I'm thinking I might be dipping into. One is the Morphe 35B palette. It looks like this. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of pink tones here, so we might dip into that. Another thing that's made an appearance on my channel is the Kat Von D Lolita palette, and it looks like that, so high chance that we're gonna just use all 3 palettes. And the last palette that I'm gonna possibly dip into, which should be no surprise to anyone, is the James Charles palette. So yeah, let's get into this. I'm going to go off camera and prime my lids using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand, and then I'll be right back to get started. So something I was really curious about was the difference between the neon pinks in the James Charles palette and the Morphe 35B palette. The one in the 35B palette is called Bikini, and the one in the James Charles palette is called Skip. And here I have both of them swatched. Right here is Bikini and right here is Skip. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but Skip is more purple toned and Bikini is slightly darker and kind of more warm. So I'm going to start, I guess. Taking the shade Bikini from the Morphe 35B palette on this Vanity Planet crease blending brush, I'm going to put that in my crease. Taking the shade Pom Pom on a Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to blend out that first shade. Going back in with the first brush and the same Bikini shade, I'm going to build up that color. Taking a clean, random, fluffy blending brush from Morphe, I'm just going to blend out those edges a little bit more. Next on the brush we had the shade Bikini. We're going in with the shade Skip and going to darken the outer V and a little bit of the crease. same brush, I'm taking the shade Love That from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to deepen the crease and the outer V. Taking the brush from earlier, I'm going to blend that out. Taking this Morphe M562 brush, I have the shades Corazon and Eterno from the Kat Von D Lolita palette, and I'm going to darken the outer V. Taking the M441 from earlier, I'm going to blend that shade out a little bit more. Next, on this small shadow brush from Vanity Planet, I'm taking the shade Skip from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to put this on the outer half of my lid. I'm going to go do everything I did on the top, on the bottom, and then I'll be right back. So, seeing as this look took a bit more of a dramatic turn than what I had originally planned for, I'm going to be dipping into 2 more palettes. Sorry, I know sometimes it's frustrating when people use so many palettes, but I'm going for a specific look now, so here we are. I'm going to take the Kat Von D Satan Sinner palette into this shade right here called Rosary, and I'm going to put that on just the outer little bit of my eye, and it looks like that right there. And this is Shook from the James Charles palette, so if you didn't have that but still wanted something similar, you could go in with that, but Rosary is just a little bit more pink and purpley toned, so that's why I'm going to use that instead. And I'm just going to go in with my finger, tap it on the outer corner. Also, as you can probably tell, I cut my crease, and so yeah, I'm just lightly tapping that right there. Next, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, and I'm going to take this pink shade right here called Wild Child, and I'm going to put it on the like middle-ish part between the shade we just put, and I'm going to leave a small spot on the inner corner for a highlight shade. On a medium concealer brush from Vanity Planet, I'm taking the Wild Child shade from Norvina palette, and I'm going to apply that now. Taking this small detail brush from Morphe and the shade Sister from the James Charles palette, I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Spritz with a little bit of Kat Von D Lock It Setting Spray. Next, taking the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, I'm going to highlight the inner corner and brow bone using a Morphe lip brush, and then the rest of my face using a Morphe E61 brush. This is my favorite highlighting brush of all time. set my face with the Kat Von D Lock It setting spray. Apply some Duo Dark Tone Lash Glue to apply a double stacked pair of the Ardell Demi Wispies and a pair of the Morphe Sunset Boulevard lashes. Here is the difference with the Morphe lash as well, and this is just the Ardell Demi Wispies. That way you get like more full lashes than just this. That is why I did that. I'm gonna go apply the roller lash and then I'll be right back. So this is the finished eye look. I really like how it turned out. So I'm not 100% sure on what lip I want to do. I have 14 different lips with me right now and I'm not sure which one I want to use, so I'm just gonna start trying them and see which one I like. Hopefully we'll start off with the one that I want, but who knows. I'm going to apply Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mother, and I'll be right back to show you how it looks. So I actually really like how that looks, so I'm gonna keep this lip on, and yeah, this is the finished look. So here is a better look at the finished result. I hope you guys like it. I am obsessed with it, so yeah. I hope you enjoyed. If you recreate this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. And yeah, I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment down below, follow me on all my social medias. Yeah, bye guys. Hope you have a great day.